There you go. See? Nice.
Okay, buddy.
That's a good one.
I'll keep you in the water right here. It's okay.
We get to mark them down. Oh shit, I just caught a bunch of smudge. Sponge. Oh, big ones are rolling in. Big ones are rolling.
You snapped me on?
Call this black hole because it's just black with fish. Ah, shit. I screwed up. I missed them. Ah.
Dude, if you would let go of this freaking thing. What are you doing away?
Did he break off or what?
Yeah. I'll just let you go, dude. One more try, okay?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Ah. Get it? Make sure you set him in there because he's probably going to roll over. Did he roll? Oh, here's another one. Okay, 16 I'm at. Did you mark yours down?
Marking mine right now. 7. Woo!
Hey, more than you caught in one day ever, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, these things are just starving. I'm hot, 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 sticky sweet from my head. Did you say sugar? I hate that sound.
It's the time.
Why you keep singing that? Who is that, the mamas and the papas?
No. The zombies.
Oh, really? That's why you like it. You like zombies? Right? Or not anymore?
No, I do. It's just...
Now that you're an adult? Well, they're basically adults, just feed them pizza. The guy from The Office. My God, it's a pool. Ah, shit.
You just feed them pizza and candy?
Yeah. This video is just chock full of fish, I think. I think I'm gonna just drop this in the water for now. So my crawlers survive.
Country boys will survive.
I know how to cast a trout line. How does he say? How does he say? I don't know. I can do a trap line. I can catch a fish. I can skin a mule deer. Country folks can survive.
There's tadpoles over here.
Oh, I believe it. Oh, yeah. Stuck him. Big one. Oh, oh. Ah. Sound effects. Yellow belly. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. Ooh, this one might be 14. Calm down, buddy. Calm down, calm down. I almost got you out. Ah!
100 bucks.
Ah! Go.
What is it?
He was only over 11. Fought like a 14-incher. Country folks can't survive. Well, you can't skin a buck and you can't meet a deer. You can drink a 12-pack in half a day. Oh, my crawlers are just, ugh. Yeah, these need to get soaked right in this shit right here. Yep. I can run a trout line. Oh, I hooked myself again. Ah. How do you hook your own damn knuckle? How though? Oh my God. Nice.
Keep a 12 gauge by my water bed. There's a next to the
Do they really say that?
and that ain't biscuits.
What?
It's Earl Dibbles Jr.
Why didn't you bring the camera thing?
What? It was you.
Look at. It's the most amount of food. There's a big one right in the back. Oh, you spooked him. Ah, there's a dead one in there.
That one.
Let's get a double. Oh, it's a big one. Ah, nice. It's a good fish there. That might be your second biggest. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Expert. Reese. Oh, I just lost one.
Oh, right in the eye.
Oh no.
Oh, maybe not. Nope, not in the eye.
Boy, they tore the shit out of this crawler.
Look like it though.
I'm glad I'm not a crawler. These things just rip the shreds out of this thing. Oh. Why would you go anywhere else but this hole? Because there's other holes?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, come on, calm down, buddy. They've never touched a human before.
Oh no. Look at that.
Ah.
No.
Why? He's got your hook?
No. Take a picture of him.
Oh. I'm almost at 20. I think if we would have came here from the beginning of the day and fished all day, we would have had 500 or so. I still want to see what's down below. I might leave this hole to you. All the leaves are brown, the leaves are brown. Sky is gray. I've been for a walk. You know that one? The mamas and the papas. On a winter's day. 5,000 trout in front of me. Looking for number 20. Who's gonna be the lucky contestant? No, bad cast. Are you filming the fish? Here, let me cast on top of them. Oh, that's your fish, eh?
Yeah.
Lazily. Ah, oh yeah, oh. Oh yeah.
That
Mr.
might be the same one.
Mr. 20. Get over here, buddy. Oh, right in the eye. Literally in the eye. No. Never mind. Oh yeah. Ah! Calm down. Just trying to get you out. Okay. Number 20. Said to keep it, baby. Said the kid to keep it moving on. Last chance of Mary Jane. How many? 8? We gotta go to a river with less fish. This is too easy.
How did my hook just come off?
You gotta tie it on better or something. Just dropped off.
Yeah. Like I have the hook and the worm right here.
Oh, big one just grabbed it. Yeah. Don't they know I'm not talking to anyone? Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. I do like spicy. No, I don't. They're getting pissed. Oh, shit. They got pissed and they just ate my crawler like nobody's business.
Yeah, I see all the moss.
Yeah, there's only about 5,000 wild trout. Is that the most you've ever seen? Yeah, it looks like that house did fall halfway in.
Yeah.
And then the cliff above it on the top part of the road's falling in too. Yeah. Oh my. Oh. Wow, what a fighter. Dude, you're 6 inches and you're fighting like a 20-incher. Oh, wow. Something's wrong with him. No, I'm serious. Oh, oh. Come on. See, his gill. Look at half his gill's missing.
Probably got in a fight with another one. There's raccoon traps in there, so maybe
Yeah, it could have been anything.
raccoon got to him and
I'm gonna have to move down pretty soon. I'm starting to feel guilty.
I'm gonna keep fishing.
Yeah, but it could be better downstream even.
Can't go farther down.
Yeah,
Too much.
yeah, I'm going all the way to the bridge. I haven't seen what's in here yet.
Barbed wire right there.
Oh, I go right under it. I haven't seen what's, I gotta see what's around the corner. That's just how I am. Could be better. I'll beep the car if you're still in here. If I go get the car and you don't ever come down or out. Boy, these fish are hungry. They've probably never seen crawlers because everyone fly fishes out here. You know? Or maybe they're not, are they legal here? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, stuck them. Oh yeah. Do you want to use one of my hooks? I got laser sharp hooks. You're catching them though. Now you finally got to see a shit ton of trout. Now you believe the story because you lived it. Stack them and rack them. That's just absolutely phenomenal.